Welcome to this healing meditation designed to help you to recover from the effects of narcissistic abuse. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can relax and be undisturbed. Allow yourself this time to focus on your well-being and your healing journey. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. You may choose to sit cross-legged on the floor or sit in a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or maybe lie down on your back with your arms resting gently by your sides. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so, and let your body settle into this position. Take a few deep breaths now, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. With each exhale, allow any tension in your body to just release. Let your muscles relax and feel your body becoming more and more at ease. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm as you inhale and exhale. Just feel the cool air as it enters through your nose and the warmth as it leaves through your mouth. Let each breath flow effortlessly without trying to change it. Imagine roots extending from your body into the ground. Visualize these roots growing deeper and deeper with each breath, anchoring you firmly to the earth. Feel the solid ground beneath you, supporting you and giving you stability. Acknowledge any thoughts or feelings that arise. Just notice them without judgment or resistance, and let them pass by like clouds in the sky. Gently return your focus to your breath and the sensation of grounding. Now place your hands over your heart. Feel the warmth and gentle pressure of your hands. Imagine that your heart is a soft, warm center of love and compassion. Silently or aloud, repeat the words, "I am worthy of love and compassion." Now visualize a gentle light surrounding you, representing love, acceptance, and understanding. With each inhale, imagine this light filling you with self-compassion and kindness. And as you exhale, allow any feelings of guilt, shame, or self-blame to be released and dissolved. Now slowly repeat the following affirmations out loud or in your mind, allowing their meaning to resonate deeply within you. I deserve to be treated with respect and kindness. I am enough just as I am. I release all negative self-judgments and embrace my true self. My experiences have made me stronger, and I choose to grow from them. Allow these affirmations to sink into your being, nurturing your sense of self-worth and dignity. And now, in your mind, I want you to visualize a place where you feel completely safe, at peace, and free. This could be a real location that you know of, or an imaginary sanctuary that exists only in your mind. And I want you to notice the colours, the sounds, and the sensations that make this place comforting and secure. Now see yourself in this safe place, surrounded by a protective and loving energy. Imagine this energy enveloping you like a soft, warm blanket, healing any emotional wounds left by narcissistic abuse. Feel the energy soothing you and filling you with strength, courage, and resilience. And now visualize yourself as empowered and free, living a life filled with joy, confidence, and authentic connections. Imagine yourself engaging in meaningful relationships that honor your true self. Feel the strength and the resilience growing within you, empowering you to create a future where you thrive. And now imagine any remaining hurt, anger, or fear as dark clouds hovering above you. And with each exhale, visualize these clouds just drifting away, carried away by a gentle breeze. And as they dissipate, feel the weight of the past lifting from your shoulders, leaving behind clear skies and a sense of peace and freedom. Acknowledge that forgiving yourself is an essential step in healing. Recognize that you are human and that everyone makes mistakes. Silently or aloud, say to yourself, I forgive myself for any perceived mistakes. I am human and I am learning. Allow forgiveness to fill your heart, releasing any lingering self-blame and creating space for compassion and understanding. And now gently bring your focus back to your breath. Notice the calmness and the clarity that now reside within you. Feel the sense of peace and grounding that you have cultivated during this meditation. And now take a moment to express gratitude for the strength and the courage that you have shown in your healing journey. Thank yourself for taking this time to care for your well-being and nurture your inner self. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gradually bringing awareness back to your body. Roll your shoulders or gently stretch your arms and legs if it feels comfortable. And when you feel ready, you can slowly open your eyes, bringing the calm and the peace of this meditation with you into the present moment. Remember that healing is a journey, and each step that you take is a step towards greater wholeness and well-being.